Hi everyone. In regards to the journal impact factor, this is just a very brief assessment. I believe there's only 5 or so questions, and what you will do is review the material that's included in the content folder of the module number 8, and you can actually use that information from the content folder to complete your journal impact factor assessment. So what you will do is you'll actually take a look at the questions as far as journal impact factors, and you can also refer to the material that's provided. The purpose is really to understand what a journal impact factor actually is, and this is less labor intensive than your past assignments because it is our last module, and this is a time to really reflect and solidify what we've done in the past as far as looking at your student learning outcomes, which you will be examining in your discussion board. So just know that the content that you need to complete the journal impact factor assessment is included within the content folder of module number 8, and you can use the content folder as you're completing the assessment. That's not a problem whatsoever. So if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. Thank you so much. Take care.